My name is Therese Ton. I'm a senior studying biology at Swarthmore College, and I'm the owner and head baker of Tosca Bakery. During my junior year, as my business started to pick up, I started to realize that baking and running a business really lights up my life. Now I'm juggling these three passions of baking, teaching, and science. Three very different things that I kept on mulling over, like which do I pick, because I felt like I could only pick one. And then I had this light bulb idea of, oh my god, what if I can do all three? And I thought of this amazing plan for my business, having workshops introducing high school or college students science through baking. Growing up in an area that didn't have a lot of STEM opportunities, I thought I could really address that problem and really bringing STEM education and making science fun, engaging, accessible. I'm going to change the world by introducing STEM education through baking and making sure that Tosca Bakery becomes a household name in the future.